Okay, let's take a start. IELTS speaking part 1. Window view is your topic. Window view is what you can see from the window of your house. What scenery can you see from the window of your room?
Well, when I wake up early in the morning, I usually open my window and see the view of garden in front of my house. There is a lot of charming birds, so that's why.
All right, so you just see the birds from the window, right?
Yeah.
Many birds or only one bird?
So many type of birds.
Many birds, okay, that's good. All right, do you like to watch the scenery from your window?
Well, absolutely. I like to see the scenery from my window. The morning view was quite good.
The morning view is quite good.
Morning view is quite good when the sun is rising. That's a good view from the front of my
Okay,
window.
so therefore I always love to see the scenery from my window. Conclude your answer. Let's go on. Do you want to live in a house with beautiful window views?
Well, I like to live in a house where there are a lot of windows at all the sides of the room, so we can see a lot of the things around us, like parks, like other buildings. So, well, yes, I like to.
I like to live in a house where there are many windows. हाँ, गली में आके खड़े हो जाए, इतनी windows क्या कर रही हैं? Okay. All right. How do you feel when you can't see any beautiful view from your window, or when you can't see a beautiful bird from your window?
Well, it's like as you are sitting alone in a night, in a dark, so it's not good for you when you don't see any beautiful view from the window.
Okay.
So that's why.
All right. Overall, language is good. Just try to speak fluently, speak actively, and speak a little more. You understand the questions. This is good, and your language is good. But just try to answer in 4-5 quick sentences, and try to connect your sentences also.
Sure.
That will be better, right? Good job. Your turn, please. Yes. Now, the topic is about name. So, my first question is it easy for you to remember people's names?
Definitely, sir. I remember people names when someone told me.
When someone tells me.
Someone tells me their names.
Good.
At first time.
Okay, so it's very easy for me to remember because I have a good memory, right? Like that. How do you remember people's names?
I remember people names by their first names almost, and I also try to remember their full name as well. But most of the time, I remember the name by their first name.
Okay, so I remember the numbers by calling their name 2 to 3 times. Sometimes I write the name in my mobile also. So this is how I remember the name. How do you feel when people don't remember your name?
I feel uncomfortable because if someone call me by
If someone forgets my name, I don't feel good.
I don't feel good, and I also I also try to tell my name to them to.
Okay, all right. So I tell my name to people, but I feel embarrassed if people forget my name. Do you often forget people's names?
No, as I mentioned earlier that I remember the people's name as I have a good memory. So I don't forget people's names.
I don't forget people's names.
People's names.
Okay, overall it's good, but just you need to speak little more, at least 4, 5, 6 sentences for your answer, and you need energy. Right, talk actively, energetically, then it will be fine. So gradually you'll be all right. Okay, that's great. Thank you.